Tesla just made one of its boldest moves yet, and the market reacted instantly, sending the stock up 3.5% in a single day.
A massive new project called Terafab, where Tesla is teaming up with SpaceX and xAI to build a $25 billion semiconductor factory. The goal is nothing small, producing enough chips to generate 1 terawatt of computing power every year, which is double the current US consumption. These chips will power everything Tesla is betting its future on, from full self-driving and robotaxis to Optimus robots, and even SpaceX's idea of data centers in space. But here's the catch. Tesla and Elon Musk have zero real experience manufacturing advanced chips, and they're going head-to-head with industry giants like TSMC and Samsung. Musk says they have no choice, claiming suppliers aren't scaling fast enough, so they must build their own. Still, this wouldn't be the first time Musk made huge promises that didn't fully deliver, and the technical challenges here are on another level. If it works, Tesla could control its entire AI future. If it fails, it could become one of the most expensive bets in tech history.